Hey there, we're back with another cookie in our Charcuterie cookie series, The Cracker. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. As always, all the supplies are listed in the description, so check that out and let's decorate together. I'm using a 15-second royal icing in a tannish kind of color to make little circles, and I'm going around them twice where all of the holes in the cracker will be, and I've got a Ritz cracker over here that I'm using as a guide. So I'm going to outline all of the holes in the cookie and then set that aside to dry, and then about 10 minutes later I came back and I'm going to outline the whole entire cookie. I have a scalloped cookie cutter that I used for this, and then I'm just going to flood this in, being careful not to flood over the top of the holes that we outlined earlier. And using the thicker flood consistency icing definitely helps when you're flooding cookies in like this, so that you can go around those little circles that you made for the holes and not worry that your icing is going to run into that area. And then I'm just going to use my scribe to settle that down and give the cookie a little shake and smooth out that flood icing. And once you have the cookie all smooth, I'm using some Wilton white sparkling sugar, and I'm just going to put a few little sprinkles on the cookie to look like salt. Then I'm going to set these aside to dry completely. And once my cookies were dry, I mixed brown, white, yellow, and orange dust by the sugar art, and I'm just going to go around the edge to give it more of that baked cracker look. And then I'll brush off any excess dust with another paintbrush, and these cookies are done. I think they look pretty realistic. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you would make these cookies. And if you haven't signed up for the channel, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of our Charcuterie cookie series. We're almost done with the set, and soon we'll be putting it all together. In the meantime, happy snacking.